Have you ever wished Google Slides had a dark mode to make working late at night easier on your eyes? Well, today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to enable dark mode on Google Slides on your desktop PC. By the end of this guide, your slides will look sleek, modern, and much easier to work with in low-light environments. First, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Next, we need to install a dark mode extension. Head over to your browser's extension store. For Chrome, that's the Chrome Web Store. Once there, search for a popular dark mode extension. Some great options include Dark Reader, Night Eye, or Super Dark Mode. When you find the one you like, click Add to Chrome or the equivalent for your browser and confirm the installation. It only takes a few seconds. Now that the extension is installed, open Google Slides and sign in to your Google account. In most cases, the dark mode extension will automatically switch Google Slides to dark mode. If it doesn't, don't worry. Simply click the extension's icon in your browser toolbar and select the option to enable dark mode for Google Slides specifically. And that's it. Instantly, your Google Slides interface will switch to a sleek, dark theme. Not only does this look modern, but it's also much easier on your eyes, especially during long work sessions or late-night editing. So there you have it, a simple, fast way to use Google Slides in dark mode on your desktop. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. If this guide helped you, make sure to explore more tips to get the most out of your productivity tools.